but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name, society.
Alright, good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Let me start my Zoom here for the VIPs.
Recording in progress.
Morning.
Good morning. Let's wait for this music to load.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Wall.
Morning, man.
We wait for London Open here. Ashit, we wait for London Open. This music is taking forever to load. Good morning, Ali. As you guys are hopping on, make sure you're liking the stream. Let's get 100 likes before London open.
I tried to put my chart up and this is what it said.
Oh, you could save it, reload it.
Wait, what the hell?
Nossa.
Morning, always so we're kind of hot.
Watch over a beer. That's what you say?
Good morning, Champak.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Brendan. Good morning to you guys on YouTube. We want the likes up, guys. We want the likes up. See how GJ never came back to this freaking supply. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Dipsy. Rihanna, good morning. Good morning, Matt. Quick analysis on gold. Okay, so if we go to the 1 hour time frame here, we can see we have resistance right here. We get support here at 1954, and we get another support at 1951. So now, if we can get a buy above 1963, because we did close above, but now we're trying to close below the previous resistance. If that happens, then we could see gold probably falling, right? Because this right now, it's a fake out. So we could see gold falling when London open, because to me, that's what this is looking like. But if this 1 hour candle closes bearish, then that means we're gonna have the new resistance right here at 1965. So that means, you know, you got, if you're looking to take a breakout trade or break and retest, then you gotta wait for price to break above 1965. But for now, we're gonna leave it like this because this 1 hour candle has not closed yet. Now, if we do have a buy position, looking at this on the 1 hour, gold has the potential of getting back to 1982 or even 1985. That's where gold should eventually head to. Now, if we go back to the 5-minute time frame, which we're going to be using for our entry, so we go back to the 5-minute here, right? So now we have a 5-minute demand here, because looking at the 5-minute time frame structure, the most recent high has just been broken, so we could see gold continuing bullish. So looking at the 5-minute time frame here, there's a higher probability right now that gold could continue bullish. So we just gotta wait and see what happens. So for now, I'm not really focused on my bias, because at the end of the day, we all know price can do whatever they want. So my bias is actually bullish right now, but I'm just gonna wait and see what market is gonna do, and then I execute. So my bias is bullish based off the structure here on the 5-minute time frame. We broke the structure here at 1960, and then we did close above 1963, but this is the 5-minute time frame. So just because we closed above here on the 5-minute time frame, it is a lower time frame. Now you got to look at what's going on the higher time frame. In this case, I like to use the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. So my bias is bullish, but at the same time, the way this 1 hour candle is looking, especially if this bearish 1 hour candle closes bearish, then we might see gold falling. So we just gotta wait and see. But if you're asking for my bias, I'll say bullish until further notice. So also pay attention to what the higher time frame is doing here, especially the 1 hour time frame. We just gotta see how this 1 hour candle closes. All right, because if this 1 hour, very quick, if this 1 hour candle closes bearish, then I can go back to the 5-minute time frame, because now we will, like I said, we'll have a new resistance at 1965, and at the same time, that means price also created a supply right over here. Now, if we can continue falling, especially if we do not get back to this demand here, then we could get a retest of this supply, right, for price to continue pushing down. And if we have a retest of this supply right here, when the 1 hour candle closes, then gold has the potential of coming back to this 1 hour lows. So we just gotta wait and see what happens, and then we execute. I hope I made sense. Overall, gold is still bearish. Overall, for me, gold is still really bearish right now. The thing is now, can we still actually really, especially if this 1 hour candle closes bearish, can we break above 1965 for us to continue bullish? If we can't, then gold is probably gonna fall. We just gotta wait and see what happens. All right. What happened to the music? What if the 1 hour candle is forming a bottom wave for a drive towards the past bigger size? Yeah, that's why I said we got to see how the 1 hour candle closes. When the 1 hour candle closes, London session will be open, and then we'll look for setups. Let's go back to, let's take a look at GJ. So GJ, we broke lows. We've been breaking lows. Looking at this on the higher time frame, we broke these lows right here. Now look, since we broke these lows right here, right, GJ has the potential of coming back down to 172.250 and push back up from there, just like we did when we was at 172.250 previously. So looking at this right now, as long as we do not get to 172.250, my bias is to look for sell entry. Right, that's my bias on gold. Now, if we come all the way back down to 172.250 before London open, then I'll probably be looking for potential buys to the upside, because GJ is still bullish. Overall, GJ is still bullish, but as you can see, we've been breaking lows to the downside here. So we'll see how. If this 1 hour candle can close bearish, then GJ still has more room to come back down. So we just gotta wait and see. And also for sales, I'll be looking for a retest of this supply here, right, to take sales coming back down. Ending the year with less than 20 losses is hella impressive. Thank you. Oh, you said the year. Oh, you meant the month. Thank you. GJ to 172.415. Let's see. So we have a demand, first demand right here on GJ. We'll see how we react if we get there.
We already there.
Oh, we are? Let's see. That's where we rejected from?
Yep.
Oh shit. Excuse me, language. So now what we have here, we came all the way back down to a demand zone, right? We pushed up from the resistance, 5-minute resistance or minor resistance, whatever you want to call it. We pushed back down, we rejected. So I'm anticipating GJ to push back up here. And also, what do we have here? Double bottom. I'm anticipating this thing to push back up here, but at the same time, you get this resistance right here, minor resistance right here. So because of the way we formed this minor resistance right here, if I was looking to take a trade on GJ right now, I'll just rather wait, because I do not like this resistance right here. And also because we've been breaking lows to the downside, and looking at the 1 hour time frame, we broke a very, very strong support, which is all this area right here. So we broke a very strong support. You see how many times we rejected? 1, 2, 3, 4. We rejected this support 5 times. We just broke a very strong support zone. So taking buys is very, very risky. That's why if you want to take buys, you got to make sure like the buys it's a high probability buy setup. Right now, because of the way we have this resistance right here, this is not a high probability buy setup for me. Even though we do have a rejection at the demand, double bottom, I don't like this. So there are just some things to look at. But if you're still having issues or having troubles really analyzing the market, understanding when we have a strong zone versus strong zone versus minor zones, I'll just call it that. You have to be able to differentiate a strong zone versus a minor zone. Got to be able to analyze the market, because when you can analyze the market both ways, when we trade, we only either take sales or buy. So you need to be able to analyze the market. Whatever pair you're looking at, you need to be able to analyze it for either a sell or a buy, so that you will know what the entry you're going to take once that opportunity presents itself. Now, I won't be taking buys, like I said, because of this minor resistance we have here, and also the fact that we broke a strong zone, a strong support on the higher time frame, in this case 1 hour time frame, like I just showed you guys. And if it keeps pushing up, hey, then it is what it is. Right now, all I'm going to say is, okay, even if we push up here, we should reject this supply right here and then continue dropping if we are going to fall. So that is what I will be looking for. And if it decides not to reject, not to get back up there and then break this support, then hey, I just got to keep waiting for entry. Feel me? Now, if we didn't have this supply right here, and we didn't break lows, say, okay, I can take buys once we start breaking above this resistance and take it TP1 back to 173.283 for about 30 pips. And now I have stop loss below this wick right here for 30 pips. So between first TP and your stop loss, you're looking at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If that gets smashed, if you want to stay in the trade, you stay in the trade up until the next high at 173.650. All right, we need 50 more likes, guys. 50 more likes. Gold is near demand. So my GJ buyers right now, even though long term we are bullish, but looking at the 5-minute and also looking at the 1 hour, the fact that we broke below a strong support and actually closed below it. Right now my buyers is sells on GJ. At least until we get back to 172.250. Good morning, Giuseppe.
All we gotta do, we could pick up where we left off. Always wanted you, baby, we can be the best us. Oh yeah. Been around the block, but I'm back cause you the best out. Girl, I know you tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it.
The difference between support resistance and supply and demand, honestly, there's really no difference. If I'm gonna be honest with you, there's really no difference. The only difference I will say is that the supply and demand strategy is best used when the market is trending. You have a higher win rate when you trade supply and demand when the market is trending, right? And when you're looking for those zones, you just look for where you have aggressive selling to the downside for your supply, and you look for where you have aggressive buying for your demand. You just mark those two zones and you just wait for price to come back to your supply or come back to your demand. Boom, you take your trade. But when it really comes to differentiating between support and resistance and supply and demand, there's really no difference. That's just my own opinion. For example, if I go back to gold here, right? This right here, I'm using this as a demand because we have aggressive buying to the upside. Now this bottom here, because price rejected right there, it's actually also a support, but in this case, we're looking at a minor support zone. The only thing that really makes it a demand is because we had aggressive buying to the upside. That's all. That's all. I trade using ICT. I don't know. I've never taken any ICT course. I don't know how they trade over there. I have no idea, but what I've heard is that when you ICT methods, I think he calls it is it order block? I don't know. I might be wrong. Order block is another freaking name that he just decided to come up with, because order block, supply and demand is freaking the same. So I don't know. So I've never taken any ICT course. I don't know how it trades. All right, we got 75 likes. We need 25 more likes to get 100 before London open. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm good, and you? We're getting there. 16 more to go. We're getting there. Oh, really, Ali? He has another name now, Silver Bullet, which is exactly the same thing as the spring phase of Wyckoff. Huh. Also, I want you guys to also pay attention and remember that each session is different when it comes to the kind of setup and the entry you're gonna get. For example, looking at gold right now we can clearly see that Asian session we created a low, right? Now, and we've been pushing up. Now you look at this and say, okay, London session open, we should actually continue bullish. Sometimes that happens, right? That, well, for example, when Asian session is bullish, London session open, we can just continue bullish. And also, when Asian session is bullish, for example, with gold, London session might decide, you know what, I'm gonna go bearish, right? I'm just gonna go bearish, and that's it. So you also have to pay attention to that and understand that stuff like that happens when it comes to trading. Just because one session was bullish does not mean that the next session is gonna continue in that same direction. We could either have a reversal or a trend change when the next session opens. We could also have a continuation. So, it all depends on what the market wants to do. That's why it's okay to have a bias, but do not focus on that bias because you're trying to trade a different session now, and the market can choose to go either way. So that's why you're going to have to wait for market to let you know what it's trying to do, and then you execute. I'm not looking at USD. I don't trade Euro USD, sorry. This channel right here, I don't care what anyone says. I might not have that many subscribers, but when it comes to London session live streams, I'm the best. I don't care. If you don't believe, I believe it myself. King Abe is the best London session live streamer.
Good morning, King. I agree. You have to,
Good morning.
I totally agree. Believe in yourself. That's all that matters.
Yep, that's all that matters. What time is it where I am? It's 1:38 a.m. here.
I'm sorry. I should have said good morning, everyone.
You think it's easy to smoke weed and trade? You gotta be a genius. King Abe is a genius.
You have me cracking up. So you have to believe in yourself and you have to be a genius to trade. Okay, so I'll write those two things down.
Yeah, Ali, I'm speaking facts. Not everyone can smoke weed and trade. There's nothing wrong with that.
Not anyone can smoke weed and do anything at all.
Yeah. I can be high as a kite and go drive, except if I'm lazy. No, I take that back. So what the weed smokers will know this. When I smoke a weed, it's called indica. When I smoke indica, now I'm not driving. I get high. No, don't even tell me I gotta go drive. Let me relax first, because that will just make me relax. I'll be so weak, I just want to sleep. So the doctors, for people that have like, what's it called again? Insomnia? Yeah, for people that have insomnia, yeah, and their doctors, the doctors prescribe, weed for them. They usually prescribe that type of weed for them. You smoke that, get high, they're sleeping. Since the Gbpjpy YouTube traders talk for 3 hours every day. I don't know how to do it. I don't talk too much. Like I barely talk. I can honestly say, like the only time I talk is when I'm here with you guys. Aside from that, if I go out, I'll just be looking. I'll just be watching, paying attention to my surrounding. I don't.
You're an
really talk.
observer, huh?
Is that what?
You're an observer.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. Well, I'll be talking. What is that over there? Wow, why are they doing that? Okay, that's new.
I still can't believe I actually have a YouTube channel, because
Is it never in your dreams you thought about that? Considering you're not a talker?
I actually never did. But I kept thinking about it, but I was like, man, I'm too shy. I don't like to be in front of the camera. I don't like to talk. On top of that, this industry is freaking toxic as hell. So I don't want to deal with all that. Let me just keep trading on my own. Until, towards the end of 2020, my girl convinced me to do it. And so.
Power of women.
You say what?
The power of women.
Yeah. So I did it. November 2020 to be exact. That was when I posted my first video. If you go back and look at my first video, you can tell that I was freaking shy.
Okay.
Most of YouTubers are peep wasters, not traders. That's funny. What is peep wasters? You followed me on IG, thank you. You mean is my woman trading? Not yet, but I'm teaching her how to.
Better watch out. Women are smart.
Oh yeah.
She might be holding her own stream over there.
Yeah, women are more smarter than men.
I agree. Anyone else agree over there?
Probably not.
The guys ain't having it, right? They're not having it. Ensure that you have mostly women on your stream in case you need likes today.
Is that what?
I said, be sure you have a lot of women on your stream for likes today. The guys be boycotting today, huh?
Yep.
Where is everyone? I don't want to go to sleep. That's why I'm talking, because if I don't, I'm gonna be sick.
Charmaine is probably gonna join us soon. You know how she does.
But we have 15 persons, so is everyone sleep?
Ashley doesn't like to talk. Let me see. Who else?
Who else wants to talk? What's going on? I see GJ making its move now. Wanted to break that area.
Faye's not here yet. She's still, dealing with her dad.
GJ's making its move now.
Brendan said he's not a talker.
Plus, it's early anyway. No one wants to talk for sure. Let me see. Is Tanel there? Let me take a look. He probably still sleeping.
Yeah, he's not here.
I'll be here, Shay.
Now 1 hour trying to flip bullish.
Another bounce. Oh, Mexico. Yeah.
If gold can close above 1965 by the time London open, the gold buys should be nice. Because she has a lot of room to push up. Alright, depending on how this candle closes and whatever setup we have here, this could possibly be a liquidity grab setup, especially if GJ start breaking this resistance here at 172.815, then she should continue. As long as we do not break below here. Usoil, there's really nothing for me to look at right now. I gotta check this thing tomorrow.
I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor.
Explain liquidity grab. So basically when we talk about liquidity grab, you see how we have this support here, right? We have this support right here, and I'm even using the wicks, not the body, because really when you're marking your zones, you're supposed to use the wicks, not the body. But anyways, now you can see how this previous bearish candle, you saw how we closed. The body never closed below this 5-minute support here, but we got wicked out. So this low got wicked out here with the previous bearish candle. Now if this thing starts pushing up here, then you're looking at the liquidity grab here. They just decided to check out these lows and freaking push up.
Baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah.
Now, if you're looking to take a liquidity grab setup, just because this previous bearish candle closed like this is not enough confirmation for you to take the trade. At least for me. It's that simple.
I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Dang. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all the
Uh-oh.
stormy night, oh yeah.
Gold might be starting to look like Xauusd. So this 1 hour candle closes in 8 minutes. I think it has enough time to flip. So we'll go ahead and use that as our supply/resistance. See what we got. Man, do this full of that. I'll take the flip on the 1 hour. Nope, I don't trade like that. That's not my strategy. My strategy is combining support and resistance with supply and demand, combining BOS and supply and demand, And sometimes I take liquidity grab setups. Not too often. If gold starts breaking below this support that we have here now, have a look into take sales. But I will be waiting for London Open. Just need to see this thing start to break these lows. Stop loss here is gonna be 40 pips for a potential 60 pip trade. London opens in 4 minutes.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Fine, oh, she might. She's so damn fine. I just call me, just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it.
Hopefully this is not going to be an engulfing candle.
Ooh, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body.
No, I'm not in.
Wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall.
I'm waiting for London Open.
I want to. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah.
If this was London Open, I would have taken this else.
Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall.
You will, okay, you will.
Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah.
Oh man, this should be happening down in London, not now. Nope, no bottom, no top wick. Nope. I need a flip. I'm not in, guys. Nope, I need a top wick. You're not about to fake me out, and if you drive, you drive. Damn. Come on, flip. You've come down enough, just flip. Do I like Usoil? I don't listen to his music. I don't listen to hip hop music that much. The hip hop music we have right now, that's not hip hop to me. Tupac, Biggie, Jay-Z, Lil Wayne, Snoop, basically the OGs of hip hop. Those are the ones I like to listen to. Not all these new hip hop artists. I didn't take the sale yet. Oh well. Guess if we keep rejecting here. Man, good refuse to freaking flip. Wow. Yep. missed our move. Man, I didn't mean to delete that. No, top wick. No, not bottom wick, top wick. Oh man. Yeah, you can see that I had the sell bias. I mean, after we had this rejection here, right here, I would have taken the sell. The only reason why I did not was because this candle had no top wick. And right now it's too late for me to take an entry. I just right now, the only thing I can look for right now is either we have a retest of this minor support here, or we have a pullback to this new supply here, and look for sales. And if she keeps dropping, then hey, she keeps dropping. It is what it is. This bearish candle was not, the kind of entries I take. That's why I stayed away. Did I find out why Rwanda gave us gold spike yesterday? No, I don't know why. Still waiting. Good kept falling. have to go use the restroom, guys. This kind of closes in 1 minute. See where the entry is. If we do start crossing it, you guys can take it. If it happens before I get back. Well, we didn't take gold, so I won't be getting in gold sales right now. For me to get in sales, I need a pullback. So I missed this first entry. I mean, I didn't miss it. I chose not to take it because of the way the candle closed. Didn't give me a top wick, that's why I didn't take it. Let's see how many pips this thing dropped. 20. See what GJ is trying to do here. See, does this candle have the top wick on my thing? Okay. I got a bottom wick here. Tiny, itty bitty bottom wick. Tiny wick. This has the bottom wick on trading view. I missed this. I missed the move here. Usoil already went past my entry, but I would have loved to get in at over here. She passed it. There's nothing I can do. See when they 1-to-1. Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, I forgot about Usoil. By the time I went back to look, it's too late. Man, even if you miss an entry or you think you miss an entry, another opportunity will present itself. GJ might fall, yeah. I'm good with Gbpjpy. Yes, I usually take 2 positions per trade. Sometimes I take 3. But lately I've been taking 2. No, I've not taken any trades yet.
King, gold is falling.
Yeah, we would have gotten right here, but that candle just didn't have no top wick. We will still be in good sales now. Now, instead of us at least retesting this minor support at 1960.82, she's not doing that. Sheesh, look at US oil. Hold on, what have been going on with US oil lately?
It's like every London session, it just fakes out.
Yeah, like, yeah, since yesterday, this is what she's been doing. Damn, we would have taken these buys for sure. Because I would have. Damn. What pair are you talking about? GJ, I'm still waiting on GJ. Every 1 hour candle close, yeah. Oh, gold was the period. Ah, you can see I'm not in. I'm still waiting. Either a pullback to 1960.82 or a pullback to the supply. Usoil is crazy. No, I'm not in gold. Oh damn, I was just about to take it. I was just about to check this thing as you pull back. See. I'm in, guys. Definitely in now. You have to wait for me to get in before you start doing this, huh, GJ? You just had to wait for me to get in. The way that previous bullish candle was looking, it was like, damn, this thing is about to drive. But she said, nope. I'm not ready. I'm gonna let this thing run. You guys are quiet on Zoom today.
Not much to say, man.
Just watching DJ do.
DJ is giving you guys up attention.
Just watching the charts, that's all.
Man, Usoil, so crazy. It's back up.
Yeah. You open GJ's like yesterday. He said he's open GJ's like yesterday. Crazy move.
We were reviewing some charts last night, and we were preying both GJ and gold this morning for a heavy drop. It's just that gold is holding up, and GJ decides to do what GJ wants to do because it's totally moving in the opposite direction. But I guess we just have to wait. But that's what we saw yesterday when we were reviewing it last night.
All buying position on GJ? Yes.
Yeah, but you know how it is. It has to retest and do all its nonsense before it decides to move. Because even gold, because I do have a position in gold, I finally got in profit
Oh,
on the downside. Yeah,
Okay.
and it's just dancing around over there, which is expected. I mean, it's what it is, but it's definitely should, because we don't know what market wanted to should drop. Just waiting for that huge move.
Hopefully she goes that way.
Mm-hmm.
Good sales for me. I wouldn't take it right here. Like, it's not retesting anywhere right now for me to take a sell. I don't take setups like this. For me to take a good sell, she either has to reject 1960 or back to the supplier. So right now I'm not touching gold. If she drops, then hey, that's fine.
Yeah, if it doesn't present itself within what you're looking for, I guess we just have to leave it alone. Just have to know what we're looking for.
Lately, London session has been crazy. Aside from yesterday's move, man, especially on gold. I really wasn't expecting that move, but it happened.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, Calvin.
Market is just dragging its leg this morning, like dragging and dragging and dragging a little bit more.
Gold isn't dropping either.
Dragging and dragging.
Maybe GJ wants me to light up some ganja here, like yesterday. As soon as I lit up the ganja yesterday, we had a spike up.
I guess.
So I'm gonna do it again today.
Yes, you both have something going on together.
Let's see what she does.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I guess he just needed to say that, right? He just needed to say that, right?
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know what, guys?
Yo, smoke that up, bro. Smoke it up.
Oh boy, there we go. There we go. I don't know what you did, but something happened.
We just needed to continue.
Mm-hmm. What a huge push, like seriously, like Oh, GG.
Adrian said I should smoke double.
I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something alright. Wow, that was a huge move. I'm actually holding. I haven't even taken any
Me either.
partials yet.
I don't have 10 pips yet.
Mm-hmm. But it's a risky one, so I'm gonna start. Yep. See, it's very risky. I'm gonna start shredding down.
Don't be scared.
All right. Oh, okay.
Come
on, go.
You can close if you want.
No, I'm not, but I'm just doing what it wants to do. I should have just moved up my stop. How silly me.
I should smoke harder.
Yeah, there it is. Went right back to the negative. Anyone to profit? That would have been the nice thing to do.
Yeah, it got a 7. It got a 7 pips for me before she pulled back.
Well, yeah, that's what it is. See, it's just volatile, that's all.
I need a bigger ganja. You gonna buy it for me?
They're supporting your habits over there? Who is that?
Send me some of your profit from yesterday.
I know, right? Gold seems to be picking up. It seems like it like that word. Profit. Come on, GJ, do your thing over there. Let's see what happens when this closes. Okay. Alright, 19 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Tell us what you got over here. Come on. Alright. Boom, that's what I'm talking about over here. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay. We'll take a little partial over here. I'm gonna hold it out. Hold it out. Hold it out. Woohoo! That's what's up. Calm down.
You're just excited about there we go, huh?
Yeah, come on down. No, gold decided to start doing what it should have been doing, but I'm taking him a partial. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
Don't say calm down, because we ain't GJ.
Oh, no, this is gold over here. It's two separate things.
We need GJ to push up.
No, it's two separate things. Partial over there.
They're saying, did you smoke some ganja too?
No, dear. If I do that, I'll be going to the cuckoo house. My head isn't that good for that kind of thing.
Is it?
I remember.
It's not that bad. You
No,
probably just gonna be knocked out. That's it.
But that's it. I don't want to be knocked out. I have to be in control. I remember when I used to drink, because I no longer do those things. And I would hang out after work for like parties or, Christmas events.
That's different.
And I would order like a Long Island iced tea, right? Because I love rum. And man, that's all I need. Just one glass. Once you hear me go quiet, that's it. The next thing is all giggles thereafter. Every single thing you say to me is a joke. I said, I have to be in control. I cannot allow this to happen. I don't drink and I never smoked in my life. I have very terrible allergies and just to think of that thing going through my system. I don't think so. I should have taken my GJ profit when it gave that to me. Opportunity comes sometime only once. Come on, GJ. In this case, we need it twice.
No, not only once.
Man,
it just
US
proved me
oil is
wrong.
destroying people.
No, it just proved me wrong. So you guys should be in a little profit, right?
Damn, look at oil, man.
Yeah, that would have been a good one, but not messing with oil. Was it yesterday?
It's time to secure your one pip on GJ.
Come on, GJ. Give them their money. Don't be stealer over here. Oh, after all, he took out the good stuff for you. Come on. Come on, GJ. Do your thing. Make us proud. Oh, it's just slowly grinding down. Like, come on. Make up your mind. Do you want to turn back? What do you want to do? GJ. Anyone took gold on their own?
Yeah.
Are you in profit?
Yes.
Okay. I took some. You took some off the table? Yep. Didn't hear that yet. Yeah, I took a little off the table, 7 profit. But it could flip at any time. To retest. Still looking strong though. I just need just one strong move, like one of those passive sells. Like, give me one of those huge engulfing candle. Come on, something strong. We're looking for it to go to 1954. On, GJ.
So unfortunately, gold didn't give me the freaking entry I wanted. Should have been,
It's doing its thing over here.
should have been a nice trade. So
It's just slowly grinding down.
it happens.
Looking for 1954. I just wish it would just do its thing, which it seems like it's wanting to do. I took half off and just. Come on, GJ, come on, come on. Let me take something else off here. Just leave one running.
How is that if GJ could talk? What would it say? I don't know.
Out of goal, not allowing it flick on me. I get scared when I see that. I'm like, I'm not gonna. I'll wait. Rather wait.
So I've been watching gold and GJ. So once gold tries to freaking go the other direction, GJ does the same thing.
So GJ's actually moving with gold. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, but in opposite direction.
Oh, opposite. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, watch. If gold should start falling again, then GJ will start trying to push back up. That's what's going on.
Okay.
I've been watching both of them. I've been looking at what's going on. They don't correlate, but they go in the opposite direction.
Gold is falling king.
Okay, she's trying to fall again now. See what GJ look. GJ now is trying to pull back up.
What's going on over here?
Now, looking at this now, gold needs to continue to fall.
Yeah.
And GJ will push up.
Now I see what you mean. I totally get what you mean. It'll go right. Okay. When gold fall, GJ rises.
So I need gold to continue falling.
I'm expecting gold though to go to around the 1954 area, so then you should have profit on GJ.
Yeah, if I took the sell, like my TP was gonna be at 1954, exactly right there. Just get out.
Oh my goodness, I got out of gold and now it decides to push.
Come on, GJ, go this. Oh, I was gonna say go this time and go.
Come on, GJ, I'm rooting for you. Come on.
Like we trading freaking GJ. It's London session. Like, where's the freaking volume?
Come on, come on. Yeah, go GJ, come on. Come on, GJ.
Yep, that's the keyword, Edward. Patience.
Right, come on, GJ, come on.
Yeah. Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do?
As long as gold is dropping, GJ is rising.
No, that's what's
Is that the case?
Yeah.
No, but gold dropped a while ago and GJ's erasing its little gain over here. So gold needs to go up. But
No, not go up. It needs to come down.
so what's going on over here then?
You see, gold is pulling back too. You see?
Right.
Yeah, gold is pulling back too, and GJ is pulling back too.
But they're correlating. Alright, so gold.
You know, it doesn't mean they correlate though, like, cause they don't have like nothing together. The market can just be weird sometimes.
My little profit off gold. I'm not gonna have gold hand me something and just take it right back.
Like I said, you can't look at GG anymore. Too much anxiety. Oh, Dr. Dollar took GJ buys too. Okay. To those people that said catching 10 pips is easy. You're in GJ. You're in GJ now. Does it look easy?
What did they say? What did they call you yesterday? 3 pippers? What? 2 pips? 5 pippers? What?
10 pip trader.
10 pip trader. It's better to take your 10 pips and it keeps adding up than allow it to reverse on you. So I don't know. I'll take 10 pips. Except taking 2 pips over here sometimes.
Like, if this thing had given me at least 10 pips, like, and she started doing this, like, I don't care.
Yeah.
I already made some money, so.
Yeah, that would be the most smart thing to do. Oh, it's like Tunnel is still asleep. I don't know what he had. Maybe he had some of your stuff. Now he's sleeping that long.
Obviously.
Guess he'll be in the New York session times. Oh, look at gold. I got out too early. I knew where it was going. Patience. For whoever is in VJ and Gold, you guys are having anxiety over there? Look at this is pure volatility. Look at that. Almost back in profit. I mean, gee.
Patty said, GG, no.
The minute my profit presents itself, I'm out of GJ. I don't think I have the patience right now. I'm just getting some serious anxiety over here just by looking at it.
Oh,
I just said I should have
you didn't take profit on GG?
on GJ. I took it out my gold, or closed out my gold position. Because I can't be playing too volatile stocks.
They said you should put all your money on GJ to push it up.
I don't think so. I would have rather stayed in gold for about to push down to 194, which it is. I just couldn't. Not risking it. All right, so I see some green coming up on gold now, so that means GJ, we're rooting for you. Come on. Come on, GJ. Come on, yeah. That's more like it. Come on over here. Come on.
He says sometimes it's better to avoid watching your open trades.
All the time, but guess what? I can't do that. Once I'm in a trade, I'm pierced to it.
Honestly, I'd rather do that too. I prefer that. I actually don't like watching my trades.
I gotta watch it. Regardless of my TP, regardless of my stop loss, my eyes has to be glued on it. There we go with our so my little gold flipped over here, but I already took my profits. I hope you guys took your profit on gold and wait for it to retrace and then get back in.
If you're a scalper, you gotta watch your trades.
Yeah,
you just
that's
need to get in and get out.
You should have been out of gold if you were in it. Did you see why I took my profit? That's why I took my profit.
And she's pulling back now.
It's doing what it needs to do.
She's doing it at the wrong time.
Yeah, because when she moves, it affects GJ. Come on, GJ. Sometimes it also best to play just one thing at a time. Just one pair.
And we've been in this field for an hour now.
Yeah. It took all my gains that I made today. Darn it. Okay. I'm sure this thing wants to go back there. What is so?
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah.
People looking for this to get back. Well, yeah. And then I'm gonna take it in here. So I need to pick it up right about the gate. usually represents itself. That's why my entry will be. I've been annihilated over here. I'm not getting out of it anyway unless it stops right now. It's a chance of gold going back to 1959-97 to around 1962-42 before it decides to, well, give me an entry rather, or a downside. In other words, I won't go into another downside without it doing like a full or deep retracement. Could continue to go down, but he always says to pull back. But we need it to go down so that GJ could do its thing. Come on, GJ. Show us some love over here. That's what we're talking about. Come on. Come on, GJ. You got this. You got this, GJ. You got this. The whole house. The whole support system area. What if we leave it together? Yeah. I'll take this trade. I can have zone area and buy area. Final sales and trade area. Here. Mm-hmm.
Might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I'll be here beside you, anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay.
Oh shoot. It's breaking that low.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Just have a cut that one.
She flipped bearish very quick.
Mm-hmm.
If it breaks that low, I'm just gonna get out.
Mm-hmm.
Be right here.
Slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lying, you know
172, 575, that's where we're looking at. 172, 575. If this thing hits, it's gonna be like 12 pips here. Oh no. It's very interesting today. Stop time. Alright. Stopped out at 14 pips actually. It is what it is. I've cut my losses short.
Where do you want gold to retest for a drop?
This support here was 1960.82.
Yeah, I'm at 90. Same region, because I'm at 1960.99. They're just the whole area there.
All this supply.
Yeah, 62.47, 59. Yeah, that's what I have to. So I'm just sitting patiently waiting.
Today is the last trading day of this month. Now this trading just made it 20 losses for this month. I don't want to have any more loss. I just want to stop at 20. No more.
Usually at the end of the month, it's like this. That's when they do their turnovers, their books, and all that. So we could get caught up in their nonsense at times. Yeah, it's expected. We'll catch the next one, hopefully. I just wish I had taken my profit because it was way up.
Yeah.
One can never know, though. That's the thing. It's a part of trading. You're gonna win some, you lose.
Well, who knows? What we lost right now, we can make it back though in New York.
As long as our wins outpace our losses, we're good. And we had some great wins yesterday, so. So we're not in any type of loss.
The thing is, a lot of people look at their gain, looking at it weekly, but really you should look at it monthly.
And it's your average gain.
At least monthly.
Yeah.
And then annually, by the end of the year, you see, what was your percentage gain.
Yeah.
I mean, just by looking at your trading account, you will know if you made money for the month. And right now, this month has been great.
I agree. I agree. Well, go do what you need to do. Go back, retest. Well, let's hop right in. Come on, do your thing.
What percent am I at for this month? 20. Best place to enter the new bias is above this freaking resistance now. See. What about you, Brandon? Since you asked me, I'm looking at R, waiting for the pullback here. Rejection of this supply, maybe we might have a trade on US oil.
Me, I have a no trade zone between 69.64 and 69.10
On US oil?
on US oil. Yeah,
Okay.
just gonna let it do its thing. Mm-mm. As you always say, if it runs, it runs. Just will run without me. Have to wait for the setup. Not seeing any structure break or
She already broke structure to the downside.
yeah, to the downside. I get that, but it's also pushing back to the upside. So I'm trying to see, is it going to break that 5-minute structure there? And even if it does, I want it to.
That's what I'm waiting for. For it to reject this supply here and push back down.
Right. Even if it does that for me, I'm not taking it right away though.
Oh no.
I'm
gonna wait for the first bearish candle to close at least.
Yeah. For me, that's also a resistant area. So 4-hour resistance. Okay.
Searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching in the wrong place. Searching, yeah. Searching in the wrong place. Yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me. I go show you the way. Follow me. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh.
Even though oil is bearish, right? It is still at that whole resistant area. So therefore, where it's positioned on that 4 hour, honestly, I would not even take a bearish position, even if it presents itself. I would kind of like just wait it out because where it's at, it's really an indecision there. It's like you don't know. There's just no decision there, you know. Could go up, it could flip to the downside. Because it's just right at that resistance, even if it breaks the structure and retests there, it's still an iffy trade. And that's the reason, that's what kind of like what the whole GJ did to us. It's like the setup is there, but they're at some resistance. Yeah. Especially when it's at a 4 hour resistance, that's crucial. So we have to kind of like maybe pay attention to that. Definitely it's bearish, without a doubt. If we could swing it all the way back down to 63, that's a lot of pips. And I leave the pips counting to King. I will try to measure it for the fun of it. And
we have a 1 hour supply here because I don't think this one is going to reject. If we reject this 1 hour supply, she should fall.
1 hour. Okay, he gets that 1 hour. We're talking about this one. Okay.
Gold didn't really reject the demand. If there was a demand sitting right here to the left, I would have taken this pullback trade. I don't know, the setups today are just not. GJ didn't hold. We could have taken a sell here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I put negative 20. The hell, that's just 14 pips.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, not yet. Not yet.
No breakout structure on GJ on gold.
Mhm.
Just to buy. You see what I'm saying on gold, Sophia?
Yes. Yes. Uh-huh.
Oh man, GJ, you gotta be kidding me, man.
GJ, you dumb bastard. Ah,
Yep. Look at GJ. Went all the way down. Forex equal. Start moving.
Sheesh.
That would have been some great tips for you over there.
Man, oh man.
Yeah, look, I'm not thinking that to break the structure, make up its mind. Hmm.
Oh then Rami is still in. It didn't hit the first stop loss, Rami. Let's see. Did it break this?
Remy's killing it over there.
He didn't hit the first stop loss. He's still in. It's like I believe in these trades, so I'm not cutting my losses short.
Remy, I want to be like you when I grow up.
Me? Oh, some people are still in.
Nice. Hats off to you guys.
Alright, we might be giving Gigi another shot here. Hold on, wait a freaking minute. How am I still? Oh, my trick up here must not be working because I just noticed I'm still in my main account, but I got stopped out on my challenge and funded. The thing didn't copy it didn't copy my stop loss when I modified it.
Well, that's a good thing. So it worked out for you. That's good.
I must have disconnected or something. Oh, so you look at USR. Oh, wow, Justin is still in too. I need this bearish candle to close on USR. And maybe I'll take a sell somewhere here. Yeah, yep. I just get a message from Social Trader Tools, my trade copy that I'm using. It just reconnected. I'm waiting for this candle to close on USR.
It's good. In 5 minutes. There's your GG. Ooh. Broke out of my zone.
Oh shoot. Oh, I need USO. I needed to pull back. Let's see. I'm in it, guys. Oh, let's go, USL. Secured on USL. Beautiful. Stop loss to break even. Finally, USL made us some money, guys.
You got a bottom wick on GJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a tiny one. I took the buys. And I'm done for this session. Good is pulling back. GJ is pulling back again. TP1 here is 40 pips on gold. On USO. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Mhm. See where we're getting that.
What the? Oh, you said are we in Gbpjpy? Yes. We should continue here, but then again, because of how GG has been acting, where we took their first buy, she could push back down to this new demand that we formed right here before she start pushing up.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback.
Yeah,
Ooh.
she could do that.
Yeah, there could be a possible pullback. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna let this thing run. She might pull back. Oh, Usoil smashed that first TP. So I'm just looking to ride Usoil back down to this support. That's it. 50 pips. That's all I'm trying to do on Usoil.
Oil could continue dropping.
Huh?
US oil could continue dropping.
Yeah, but that's fine. This entry I had on you on gold, I definitely should have waited. Should have waited for this pullback here.
You're in gold?
No, GJ. I didn't take gold.
Oh, that's what you said just now. Okay, mistake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It was a nice aggressive buy to the upside.
Let's see, where this thing close? And so that's it. Closing.
So now gold is falling and GJ is trying to fall too.
Two 688.
On my funded and the challenge I'm doing right now, I'm negative for today because I don't trade Usoil on those accounts except my main accounts.
Yeah, the whole gold and US oil, I've learned not to.
Yeah, I mean,
especially that GJ2.
Yeah, I trade gold and GG on it, so I'm taking GG. This is the second time now today on it. Yeah, so GJ could come all the way back to this demand, or we could just reject this. Maybe get to this minor resistance right here at around 170 to 699 before she decides to start pushing up again. So those are the two possible rejection zones here. And also the fact that this previous 1 hour candle closed bullish. This thing should push up because we got a support here now. Rejecting previous resistance.
Yeah, go look at you.
You can leave your stop loss right where we at. But for me, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I'm gonna move my stop loss right there. Just right below this bullish engulfing candle here on the 3-minute. Move it right there. If he wants to reject here, it shouldn't go past. It should just tap around 172.640 and then push back up again. So 172.600, that's where my stop loss is. And gold is falling again. We didn't get back to the support. We didn't get back to the supply either. Oh, let's move my stop. Your TP smashed on Usoil. If you still want to stay in it, I'm completely out of it. Your next TP should be around 68.328, but I'm out of this. Oh, you say you need the hand of those people who stayed in GJ. Oh yeah, those of you that are still in GJ and Zoom. Are you out or you still in from the first entry?
Oh, I got out.
Oh, Rami said he stayed in from the first entry. I'm not sure if he's still in though. Ram is still in. Brendan is out. Did you guys take Usoil Zoom?
Yep. I got out at 44 pip.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I took a small position on it. I didn't go all out. I got out early. I'm scared of US solar, but I'm in GJ. Then.
Yeah, I took it.
So what I'm looking at right now, if this candle can close bullish, or if we finally break above this new highs right here on the 5 minute, I'm gonna move my stop loss just right below this low new support right here. Because I'm not playing with GJ today. Based on this setup here, I got in really too early right here. I got in too early or I got in too late. You can say I got in too late or I got in too early. But based on when I saw this setup here, I got in too early. It happens. Oh, you were so glued to G. Oh, you missed the USR. Man, even though I got in too late, GJ still has just been annoying today. Like since London session opened, she's just been ranging. NFP week. Oh guys, I'll be live on YouTube doing NFP on Friday. So we go back to this minor resistance here, minor support / resistance here. Now let's see if this rejection is gonna hold. Because remember I said we might get back to this demand, tap it, and then start pushing up again, or just reject this minor resistance here. So we'll see what happens, if it's gonna hold. If this candle can close bullish, the forward candle is about to open. So if this candle can close bullish and we start breaking these highs, I'm gonna move my stop loss right below the new support we're gonna form. You sent your analysis to Discord, GJ or Usoil? I'm moving my stop loss, guys, to right here. That's where I'm moving my stop loss to. If GJ comes back down and break these lows, like GJ is just tripping. Like she's not ready to push up. So moving my stop loss to that support right there. And that's 172.669.
Hit my profit.
You took
It's
your
probably
profit?
No, it actually. Go ahead.
You said you took your profit?
Yeah, I actually have my own TP. So yeah, I mean, yeah, because I did 2 positions, because when it went down, I had picked it up. I had picked it up very low, so went up nicely on that, and then the first one just hit my TP. In other words, I moved up my what's that called? The stop loss, and that hit on the first one. Because I didn't want to risk the profit or having to risk going negative again. So I'll catch it on the pullback. But it's good profit. I'm in good profit because of the second entry that I have.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm. Didn't expect it to close out. I was like, huh?
You said what?
I said I didn't expect it to close out. That wasn't my intention, but it just did. It's pushing nicely, but Better to be safe than sorry. So, come on, GJ.
Oh, securing, guys.
Exactly.
Oh man, I secured one. She wouldn't let me secure the next. Man, I was too slow. It spiked up real fast. But I'm gonna move my stops to break even here because I don't trust GJ right now. Yeah, I secured one position. Still waiting on the second one.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you
Alright.
gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, our love.
My stops has been moved to break even.
My jolie, oh my jolie, where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool
Wow, I would have been so much up in gold if only I'd have waited, but looking sweet over there. Anyone still in gold? You're banking.
you don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me
I
now.
was actually expecting it to push back up, but
Heading to that 954, 1954, 1953, 68, that whole area. It's a demand area too. Right into that support.
at least GJ gave some money. I can't be mad, even if we get stopped out.
I'm happy with GJ. No one can complain. Gave it back. Yeah, whatever GJ took earlier, it gave it right back. So no complaint and more.
heart is melting, girl, you got me. Called your bluff, ain't made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Cool it off. I don't know how to cool it off. My jolie, oh my jolie.
I need at least 20 pips on from GJ. So GJ is the drunk uncle at Christmas time. See something here, dude.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. She shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe o, nyama tengwe olo.
All right. Zoom. I'll see you guys down in New York.
All right, see ya.
Recording stopped.
All right, YouTube. God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. All right, guys. God bless you. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last